This is Yijun, Yiwen, and Xintian. For our final project showcase, our group chose to localize a website using a new CMS, which did not cover in the class called Strapi. Our client is a British brand for sleep springs and skincare named This Works, and we localized its official website from English into simplified Chinese and Korean. We managed to create a website in its original language and localize it using the CMS Strapi as the backend, connecting to front ends Gatsby and React separately, and using YAR as package manager. And the following are the process of creating the website, solving the challenges we met, and finally present the completed and localized website.
So the CMS we played around with, Strapi, which is a free and open source headless CMS using Node.js with powerful methods to customize API. It is also a place to have full control over your data, but the one headache is it needs a hosting platform. Because if you don't, then logging onto its database will only end up looking like this, which is not ideal. Then we explored a whole other area that was not facing class and tried out different ways to find ourselves a hosting platform. Eventually, after following tons of tutorials and video clips, we managed to find two front-end servers, Gatsby and React, to make it work. And by saying making it work, I mean a lot of tiring and frustrating attempts on setting up front-end codes and running on Node.js. And finally, this is how it looks like. We have the backend and frontend running on terminal, and the window on the right is what it looks like on our local computer. Links on the bottom right is credit to the tutorials, which practically saved our lives.
Now this is the final look of our website. We rebuilt the pages in English and localized them into Chinese and Korean. You may notice that the pages are in a very simple style. They look more like a blog rather than a dynamic website. This is because the dashboard of Strapi itself is quite simple. It does not have many functions as WordPress or Drupal has. So we encountered many difficulties to make our website look fancier. In order to localize this website, we put localized pages into different categories. Each category represents one language. Also, plugins are limited. We haven't found any translation plugin which support this CMS. All translation work were done manually. This is our localized product page. To sum up, for those whose programming knowledge are limited, we recommend using more easy-to-use CMS like WordPress or Drupal, as Strapi involves lots of programming knowledge, including some Linux commands, which are probably beyond our knowledge. Thank you.